guy, apparently. Let's just add some. Dum-dee-dum-dee-dum. And some tomatoes on the side. And some tomatoes covered in whipped cream with sprinkles on the side.
Who could that be? Hey, yo-ho, want some Girl Scout cookies? I got some Samoas, your favorite.
Cheese. Oh, onion. Alright. Load all those up. Whipped cream on top. Take order! What do you mean, take order? Why is that one red, and why does this say closed if it's clearly open?
Pizza boy, I want you to come get the pizza. That guy keeps bothering me. Ah, shit. What now? Hey man, can I suck your balls, please? You have gotta be fucking kidding me. That is the most disgusting question I've ever heard. There's no way in hell I can do that for you, you sick fuck. Now leave me alone, right now! Oh, weeb, I am terribly sorry. I will bother you all I want. I'm stuck with you forever. None of my dead body, you son of a bitch! If this asshole keeps bothering me, I'm gonna do something about it. That's it. I am going to throw a bomb at you. This is a final warning. I'm sorry. The bomb will explode in 3, 2, 1.
Allah Akbar! Allah Akbar! Allah Akbar! Allah Akbar!